guys, welcome to today's video. I'm just excited. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, depending on your time zones. And today we are making a video about NFPs. Yeah, but before we go on, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, turning on the notification bell such that you do not miss out on any updates on any news. Okay, and if you want to join my Telegram channel, the link will be in the description of this video. So today we are looking at NFPs and what they are, and for every other detail, please, everything will be in my Telegram channel. But if you have any questions, consider leaving them in the description of this video. And without further ado, let's jump into today's video. Yes, so we begin by defining what an NFP is, and I think it's a key economic indicator for the US economy, representing the number of jobs added. Okay, so basically an NFPs basically it shows the number or how many jobs have been added in the economic market. Okay, and then they're like but how does the NFP, how do they affect the forex market? Okay, so basically this the business, maybe they're using a very big business language, but to make the story short, okay, all we know that is that when obviously when more jobs are added into the market, we expect the market to go high. Basically, people having jobs, we expect much money to be in circulation, and money will have to increase in value. So basically that's it. If you add more jobs, that means people will be having many jobs, and if you have few jobs, it means like people have no money. There is no money in circulation, therefore little money will be in circulation, and that means either if there is no employment, the dollar will be dropping in value, and if there is high employment, it means that the dollar is increasing in value. So we can base on that to do our trading. Yes, and NFPs are usually released they're always released every Friday of every new month. Yes, every Friday of every new month. But if you're in my Telegram channel, you don't need to worry. Everything is always there. News, I usually post everything. Okay, so for today we are looking at NFPs, but I don't want the video to be so long, so I will leave a link in the description of this video for those who want to basically go ahead and try to understand more. Just check my Telegram channel. And by the way, in case you've still not subscribed, please consider subscribing, turning on the notification bell such that you do not miss out on any upcoming videos. Okay, so how do we trade the news? Okay, but just we have known what they do and what it does, how it helps us, but how do we trade? Okay, so basically, obviously, if the news show that there was increase in jobs addition or jobs were added in the market, obviously we'll be expecting the dollar to increase in price, hence a buy. But if the news are showing that there were little jobs that were added in circulation in the market, that means the dollar is likely to go low in value, hence a sell. Okay, so where do we find the trading info? Okay, yeah, one of the famous apps is called investing.com. Yeah, you just go download the app and have it. So when you come on calendars, yes, so here you can check, maybe you check for today, yes, you check for yesterday, what was trending, check for maybe tomorrow what might happen. So these are some of the news. Okay, these are some of the news on every different how can I say, okay, yeah, on every different currency. Yes, different news on every currency, and even NFPs when they are to be released, they are always dropped here. Okay, so yesterday basically there was nothing like news, today nothing, but for tomorrow this is what is likely to happen. Okay, maybe let me use an example of okay, GBP USD. Okay, so tomorrow, what do we think could happen? Maybe, for example, okay, they are saying United Kingdom Construction Purchasing Managers Index. Okay, so the actual is 48 point. It's 48.8, but the previous was 50.4, but the forecast is 49.6. Okay, so they assume that it's likely to be 49.6, but this has not happened yet. Okay, so but what are of course they have tried to explain what they're like the Chartered Institute of Purchasing and Supply Construction Purchasing Manager Index measures the activity level of purchasing managers in construction industry. Okay, a leading above 50 indicates expansion in construction industry, but a reading below obviously indicates a reduction. Okay, below 50. If it is above 50, it indicates an expansion in the construction industry, obviously. So when there is of course when there is expansion in the industry, what do we expect? We expect a rise. Of course, we expect a rise in the GBP. Okay, yeah, in the GBP. The Japanese, sorry, the GBP is supposed to rise. Yes, it's supposed to go in value. So if you are trading a GBP against any other currency, it's supposed to go increase in value. That's at all if the reading is above, if the reading is above 50. Okay, but for example here the actual is 48.8, which means it's below 50, meaning it's supposed to be a sell. Okay, yeah, it's supposed to be a sell. However, this is not a current one because it's just not released, because as you can see they are saying it's this, we are leading on what is supposed to be for tomorrow. Yeah, but I hope this helps, guys. I don't want this video to be so wrong. In case you have any questions, in case you have any comments and ideas, leave them in the description of this video. But as of now, I sign out. I remain your boy Nick. Have an amazing rest of the day. Peace.